guys, hope you're doing okay and welcome for another video. This is your Big Daddy Rocks and today we will be featuring Fons Barbecue. Fons Barbecue is located here in Ampad Street, Lapu-Lapu City, Cebu. For the menu, they are offering chicken breast and drumstick, butchie, chicken liver, isaw, and some pork barbecue, liver, and some hot dogs. Overall, our experience here at Fons Barbecue was excellent. The food was delicious, the service was great, and the staff are very friendly. So if you're craving for some barbecue, come visit Fons Barbecue here at Ampad Street, Lapu-Lapu City.
Selamat juga.
So that's it guys, if you like this video, please feel free to click on the like button. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe on our channel. See you on our next video.